Good morning, hackers. Who's ready for the UC Berkeley AI Hackathon? Hang on, my clicker's not working.
Guys, the clicker.
First of all, hello world. And hello you all. We missed you. It has been 362 days, 17 hours, 7 minutes, 39 seconds since we last saw each other. Or, if you came to CalX 12.0, it has been 236 days, 20 hours, 30 minutes, and 35 seconds. Yeah, we kept track. So who's at AI Hackathon? We have 1,300 hackers, 220 beginners, 50 volunteers, 100 judges, 50 mentors, 45 directors, 30 sponsors, and 1 huge bear, which you'll see around the venue. This is our amazing team. We have 45 directors of passionate students that are putting this show on for you all. And a round of applause to all our sponsors for making all of this possible. Special thanks to our co-hosts, Fetch AI and Annapurna Labs. And this is our agenda for today. So we're going to start into event logistics, what to expect. We're going to have introductions from our sponsors and some closing remarks.
All right, let's get some basics out of the way. All right, rules and regulations. Generally, please respect the venue. If you're a Berkeley student, if you're not a Berkeley student, please do not block any doors, including the hallways. This is a fire hazard. In the event of an emergency, our director team will handle everything. Please remain calm and follow directions from anyone on event staff wearing a black director shirt. And abide by our code of conduct. So TLDR, be respectful to your other hackers, to directors, judges, anyone, and don't do anything stupid. Restrooms and water fountains are available throughout the building. So once you scanned in, this is your hacker group. We will have food and swag based on your hacker group, so make sure to keep that in mind when we're distributing anything on the lower Sproul tent. This is your hacker pass. This is what you're scanning in to check in. And for any other event or pickup, you will also scan this same QR code. Our live site for this event is live.hackberkeley.org, where you'll be able to find the most up-to-date information about sponsors, prizes, and schedule. And where are we? So right now, we're in Wheeler Auditorium. Welcome. Workshops will be held on the 2nd floor, 3rd floor, and 5th floor. In terms of food distribution, this will happen on the lower Sproul Plaza, along with other meetups and swag distribution. Entertainment will be scattered around the venue, and you can check the live site for the most up-to-date location. At all times, please wear your wristband and your hacker badge. We will be using these for security, and there will be no entry and exit on any other doors other than the 2nd floor lobby.
So let's talk about everything that you can do this weekend at AI Hackathon. Here's some of the workshops that we're having. We have all these sponsors that are putting on their workshops to introduce to you all their tech stacks and everything that they have to offer this weekend. A lot of free credits. We have a lot of networking events and meetups that are happening. So Midjourney is running an Ask Me Anything session. Fetch AI and Annapurna Labs are also running networking sessions. We have a team formation mixer happening right after opening ceremony at the lower Sproul tent. So if you are still looking for team members, go there right after this to find potential teammates. We have charcuterie and cheese tasting for the first time later this weekend, so check the live site for the specific time and location, as well as for all our other entertainment events, such as our Nami Matcha pop-up. Yeah. So these are some of our featured workshops. Annapurna Labs and Fetch AI are running their workshops. Once again, check our live site, live.hackberkeley.org, for the full up-to-date schedule of everything that is going on this weekend. Also, you can also see it in your Hive portal as well. There's a calendar viewer there. Also, our decal that we host on campus called Cup Start, we're running a introductory workshop right after this as well for those who are interested in learning about launching web apps. Here's some of the other entertainment events that are happening this weekend. So we have Llamas that is happening at 1 p.m. today. Check the schedule. We have our photo booth on 2nd floor throughout the weekends. We have a bounce house happening this afternoon. So you'll see it pop up on Lower Sproul. Silent Disco this evening, Clash Royale tournament, that one's very popular. We have a sunset hike to the Big C this evening as well. Swag, we got a lot of swag for you this weekend. So later today, you'll get your t-shirts and your totes. We also have keycaps, a lot of stickers, keychains. So some of this will be at swag distribution, some of it will be just scattered around the venue and you'll have to look for it. So go ahead and explore the venue and see where we set out the swag. And sponsor trading cards as well. Look out for those from sponsors. What's on the menu? After this for lunch, we're gonna have Ike sandwiches. Later this evening, we're gonna have Himalayan bites. For midnight snack, we're gonna have insomnia cookies and ice cream. Tomorrow for breakfast, we're gonna have Panera bread, and tomorrow for lunch will be tacos. Here are some of the prizes that we are offering. This is a non-exhaustive list, but we'll have our 4 grand prizes. That's Didowski's World, Didowski's Lab, Didowski's Playground, and Didowski's Toolbox. The descriptions for those are on the live site and on our main hackathon site as well, and the Hacker Guide. On the Hacker Guide, shortly, we are going to link a judging guide to tell you just all about the judging process, the submission process, and the things that we look for in each of our tracks. We're going to have the 10 teams for finalists that are going to be coming up and presenting at closing ceremony tomorrow. We're going to have Best UI UX, Best Beginner Hack, and a whole long list that you can find on the live site. Here's some of the sponsor prizes. Sponsors are going to be giving out a lot of cash prizes, Mac Minis, company merch. You can get interviews with the company as well as admission, for example, admission to Skydeck, dinners with the founders of the companies, and more. Once again, look at our live site and Hacker Guide for information on this. Starter packs are also on the live site, so if you are participating in a sponsored track, you should look at the Hacker Starter Pack that is on the live site. That will show you the things that you need to know to get started with that sponsor's track. Here's some of the judging criteria. We have application, functionality, creativity, and technical complexity. And more on this, once again, is going to be in that doc that we will be sending out. So, as I mentioned earlier, 4 tracks, 10 finalists who are going to be presenting here on stage to you all at closing ceremony. The pitch is going to be 3 minutes, 2 minutes for Q&A, and we're going to have a panel of judges and people from VCs and other prominent organizations who are going to be here on stage judging your projects live.
All right, now moving on to our sponsor showcase. First up, we have Annapurna Labs.
Hey guys, hey everyone. My name is Armin. I drive training and growth at Annapurna Labs. Today, we're going to talk about 4 things. We're going to talk about Annapurna Labs, the startup team within Amazon. We're going to introduce you guys to Trainium, our AI chips, Neuron, our SDK, and then I think your guys' favorite part, our Build on Trainium program, where honestly, you guys can get free chips and credits to build any fun project that you guys are interested in. Really fast, has anyone ever heard of Trainium? Raise your hands. Okay, couple hands. Nice. So Trainium is our Amazon AI chips, and I'll be talking more about it today. Oh, yes, sweet. So starting off, who are we? Annapurna Labs was a startup Amazon acquired in 2015. We're the team behind Nitro, Graviton, and Trainium, our 3 different chips products. We're the silicon that powers Amazon. We build the data center, the software, and the silicon. Because when you control the stack, you can do things that others can't when you're building and buying chips off the stack. All right, sweet. Okay, so why do we build? There's 4 main reasons why we build. The first one is better price performance. Second, higher energy. Third, higher reliability. And fourth, faster scalability. For you as a builder, all that means is same workload lower costs, specifically you researchers, that means your credits go a lot farther on the same hardware. Sweet. Now, like I said, our whole portfolio is filled with 3 different categories. It is Graviton for general purpose, our CPU, Nitro for security and networking, and then my favorite, Trinium and Inferentia for ML and research. Each one is purpose-built from the ground up, and today I'm going to zoom in on Trinium. But a little background. A lot of people don't know this, but Amazon has been shipping for 10 plus years AI purpose-built chips. Nitro started in 2013, and then we introduced Trinium in 2022, then Trinium 2, then Trinium 3, and then now Trinium 4 is coming soon. The point isn't the dates, it's the cadence. We ship a new generation basically every year. Each one is code designed with the workloads of our customers in mind. Here's what full stack ownership really means. Like I was saying, Nitro, the networking card, Graviton, the CPU, and then Trinium, the ML purpose-built chip. We design the chip all the way from the stack to the data center, where we engineer all components on the rack. And it goes beyond the chip. We built the networking switch, we call it a neuron switch, the power delivery, the compute sled. And when you build the rack, you can optimize for things like chip-to-chip bandwidth and other components that are really important to developers. Awesome. So today, we're talking about Trinium 3, our 4th gen AI purpose-built chip, purpose-built for you in mind. It gives the most highest AI token economics for the best use cases today, like agentic workflows, video reasoning models, and video generation models and reasoning models. But for the field where we're going, not for where the past. Today, these are the companies that are training and serving on Trinium today. We have partnerships with some of the biggest model builders like Anthropic and OpenAI. But I'm not here to talk about enterprises. I'm here because you guys can build on the same hardware that leading model builders are using today. If anyone's heard of Amazon Bedrock, well, you might not know this, but 50% of Amazon Bedrock is being deployed on Trinium. So if you've used Bedrock, you're already a Trinium customer today. Okay, hardware is great. Not everyone likes hardware. But today, let's talk about the software stack. Because you can't program on a transistor. We support 3 different kind of customer personas. We have the ML developer, the ML researcher, and the ML perf engineer. All 3 do different things. The ML developer, we categorize as like to serve the models. The ML researchers go into new architectures, and the performance engineers like to squeeze every bit of optimization into the chip and software stack. Hold on to these personas, because I'm going to do a deep dive right now. In these next couple slides, I'm going to showcase how you can use these tools depending on which persona you guys are. Let's start with the ML developer. You guys can't see it, but we support a couple libraries. So like, for example, if you guys are using GPUs and you guys are using Hugging Face or VLM, you can do the same thing with Trinium. You can pull Hugging Face models from Hugging Face using Optimum Neuron, our SDK, and deploy on Trinium today. You can serve and shard the same way with Trinium underneath. And then for you guys, I would say, for ML researchers, Neuron supports native PyTorch, FSDP, Torch Titan for distributed training. You write normal PyTorch code, and then the Neuron compiler handles the rest. So for example, if you take your GPU code It's almost as simple as 2 CUDA, 2 neuron. Very easy. And our favorite, the ML performance engineers. If you want to go straight to the metal and optimize every inch and get the most MFU possible, then we have several tools built in to support you. Today I'm going to talk about Nikki, our neuron kernel interface, and plus our kernel library, neuron monitor, and then our neuron profiler. It's how you write your own kernels in Python for Trainium. So Nikki. Nikki lets you program the chip directly in Python. You write something as simple as z equals mapmol, and the compiler handles the rest. The tiling, the scheduling, the memory, so you get CUDA level control without writing CUDA. If you ever wanted to write your own fused kernel in C++, but you were scared, now you can do it with Python with Trainium today. When your kernel is slow, because that happens, a bad kernel is slow, you need tools to see why. So we built our own profiler called Neuron Explorer. You can use this tool to go into the neuron kernels, the Nikki kernels, and see what's going on. We have extensions in the browser and then in VS Code as well. You can write a kernel, profile it, see exactly what's going on, and how to improve it. You can't see it, but it didn't work. But oh, actually, there's a couple slides. But okay, so this is our whole neuron stack in one slide. I'm not going to go through every stack, but as you can see, from the top to the bottom, we support all different levels for developers. We have managed services at the top, like agentic tools, and then we also have agentic Nikki tools to auto-port your kernels. And we also have ML libraries for training and inference, and our Nikki library. Additionally, from the bottom, we have our compiler and different use cases that can help you. So if you're any type of different kind of developer, you have different ways to enter the Trainium. The chip is cool, but I know you guys aren't interested in that. What would be really interesting to you guys is our new program called Build on Trainium. It's a $110 million commitment from Amazon to fund the next ML researcher you guys in mind. If you guys are doing research in academia or in ML and education, this is a program that Amazon just installed last year to fund your research with credit, support, and supply. Amazon has reserved over 40,000 Trainium nodes for researchers only. We want to work with you guys and help you guys and evolve your idea. Today, the program is only 1 year old, and we have partnerships with 108 different universities. And we're growing. UC Berkeley specifically is one, if not one of our top partnerships. Some cool projects from Build on Trainium is drug discovery, robotics, radiology, and then autonomous driving. But we have many more use cases. Please bring your use case, and we'd love to support you. I have a QR code if anyone's interested. So to get credits, it's pretty simple. We have a proposal template. It's like a one-page, tell me your idea, how you guys want to work on it. Please download it. My email is supposed to I'll show you guys afterwards. But yeah, download the proposal template and send me an email. I can show it later. But yeah, that was the best way to get credits and support. And then my last slide, we have a workshop today at 12 today at MLK, if anyone's interested to get like a deep dive and hands-on experience with Trainium today. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Annapurna Labs. Up next, we have Fetch AI.
Hello, hackers. How are you doing? Make some noise. So I have slides, but I don't like to look at my slides. And every time my team tells me off, oh, you missed this part or that part. So I am going to run this presentation today, which is going to be led by you guys. So you tell me what you want to know. But first of all, I wanted to give a big round of applause to CalHacks for this amazing hackathon. This is the third year of Fetch AI being a sponsor, and I love the energy. Thank you so much. So give a big round of applause, guys. I think a lot of people now recognize me. I have last year done just alone 80 hackathons, and I absolutely know each and every one who's hacking today what is going on in your head. So if you have any questions, we are there to answer any questions. But I'm going to just quickly give you a quick run-up of what Fetch AI is building. So we have 3 main products. You probably have heard of Agentverse. We have got a marketplace of agents, which is you can build agents anywhere, but just deploy and register your agents there, and bang on, your agent is discoverable. Now, how is it going to get discovered? How do I go on the next slide? Oh, I'm going back. This one. Okay, so Agentverse, of course, once you listed the agent, it goes live, and then ASI1 is our LLM, which is a mixture of model. So it's not really just going and searching the web. What it's doing is actually connected with Agentverse for search and discovery of agents. So we are building something which you haven't seen before. What is happening is it's going and finding the intent and is going and searching the agents from Agentverse and bringing them back into ASI1 and executing the task. You can learn all about it in the workshop, which Devam will go through in a minute. But what ASI1 also can do is your personal AI. It has got a lot of functionality. So you can use it to maybe put 4 of your hacking friends together in a group and find an agent which can help you find a really nice idea for the hackathon. So there is a lot of potential in ASI1 Personal AI Agent. Please give it a try, because I have got some special prizes just for the use of ASI1. It has got connected services. I'm not going to go through all the slides, but there is recurring tasks. You can go collab with friends. You add friends and create group chat and all that. Agent on demand is there, so you can call any agent from Agentverse. You don't have to build every agent from scratch. If you utilize any agent from Agentverse, that's also giving you a bonus point. If somebody else has built it and you've utilized it, it's a great bonus point for you to win. Now, the challenge is, you can build agent anywhere, deploy it, register it on Agentverse, and discover it from ASI1. Please don't spend time, if you are looking to win Fetch AI prize, please do not spend time on building a UI. I am not going to look at the UI. I want the agent to be discovered through ASI1. Prizes, I like to give cash prizes because I don't want you to be stuck with headphones nobody wants to use or AirPods that nobody cares about these days. Just cash. So go enjoy yourself, have a holiday, or take your girlfriend out, or boyfriend. Okay, so $1,500 for first prize, and $1,000 and $500. Plus internship opportunity. I'm going to give you a little stunt at the end where you're going to see how the internship opportunity works from Fetch. Devam, we're going to let Devam speak a little bit.
Okay. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Keep yourself energized for 2 days, especially for today, as we bring in our workshop from 3 to 4 p.m., where you will get a hands-on experience with whatever platforms like the Agentverse and ASI1, and you get the opportunities to discuss with your problems, your technical problems with us with respect to the solutions that we have. And second, we have the networking event. where we have got networking event from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. where you can have talk with us, discuss your ideas with us, and anything that you have in your mind. It's going to be a casual meetup where we will be also giving out donuts. And okay, I missed one thing. In the workshop, we have surprise giveaways as well. Going next, we also have our ASA1 Hackathon support agent where you can ask your question, anything with respect to the whole hackathon.
Okay, so just before I finish, I wanted to bring my team, so please give me some drum roll for bringing them in, guys. I like to bring my army with me. I don't like people to be left with hacking pressure with no support. This is your support. It's 24/7. We have some online support for you guys to ask any questions you have. But the interesting thing I wanted to talk to you about, how is it related to internship opportunity? Where did you come from?
Hi, so I'm an intern at Fetch AI, and I won LA Hacks. I built a multi-agent evaluation and a agent that basically will simulate the entire US economy. And so that's what I built. If you guys have any other questions or if you guys have any queries, please come to me. And so, yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Rajshekhar and I won CalHacks last year, and it was a multi-agent system which can help with disasters, and I've integrated multiple things which can help during a disaster system. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Anish. I'm an intern here and I won Beach Hacks.
Hello everyone, I'm Aditya and I'm interning at Fetch AI this summer and I won at LA Hacks this year.
Hello everyone, I'm Devam. I won CalHacks last year. I am currently working full-time at Fetch.
Hey everyone, I'm Sakshi, and I also won CalHacks last year. And we built this multi-agent gifting system, so you can gift anyone with that agent. Now I've interned there, and then I'm just working there as a part-time intern right now.
Hi guys, I'm Shambhavi, and I'm an intern at Fetch, and I've been part of Diamond Hacks.
Ambassador at Austin.
Okay. So just wanted to give you guys a flavor of whoever wins today usually get a internship opportunity at Fetch. You guys come and help. We also have a startup accelerator program. So if your project has really got potential, we also take you to pre-seed funding stage and you guys come on board and build your project. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you very much. And I look forward to seeing your projects. Thank you.
Thank you, Fetch AI. Up next, we have Claude.
Hey, how we doing, everyone? Hey, it's nice to meet all of you. We're so excited about what you're about to build in these next 17 hours. But for these next 2.5 minutes, just like to introduce or reintroduce to you guys what Claude is, company behind it, Anthropic, and how you can engage with us during this year's AI Hackathon. Okay, so quick overview of the company behind Claude, Anthropic. We're a research-driven company. We're founded back in 2021. We now have more than this number. We have maybe like over 2,500 employees, and we're based in San Francisco, with the core mission of ensuring the world safely makes the transition through transformative AI. And what does that mean? Basically, how we do that is we build our frontier systems, mainly of which Claude. We work to responsibly deploy them. We study the behaviors and regularly share our safety insights, as you can read up in our website. All right, so more about Claude. Here's 2 models we want you guys to know about and use. We got Claude Opus 4.8, which is our strongest reasoning and adaptive thinking model, meaning that depending on the complexity of a task, it will adapt its effort and level of reasoning to that. It's the best in class for agentic workflows, and it's really good at long-running autonomous tasks, sometimes up to days at a time. Then we have Claude Sonnet 4.6, which is our smart everyday model. It's for everyday tasks that don't require maybe hours and hours of thinking and reasoning like an Opus does, but it still performs at frontier performance at an affordable cost. And we highly encourage you guys to switch between these models to be token efficient. We also have Claude Code. It's basically our agentic harness to build using coding. And we'll talk more about that in a bit. So where to learn more? Visit us at Anthropic booth. We're near like the right corner of the Poly Ballroom, so check us out there. We have limited amounts of merch, and you can also engage with our Anthropic staff there. We'll have a workshop at 1 p.m. I believe it's at the 5th floor. We'll have a workshop about how to get started with Claude and how to use it, and you can ask any questions about Agent SDK, MCPs, other tools that we provide. And one last thing, build with us. If you guys have been here for a year at Berkeley, we have a Claude Builder Club. We run hackathons, workshops, free Claude Pro access. And yeah, about our price track real quick. It's very simple and very broad. We want you to use Claude Code to take big swings at the biggest problems. If you guys have been following Anthropic for a while, some sectors that we may be interested in are healthcare, education, economic opportunity, or just a domain of your choice, as long as the problem is pressing enough, it's urgent, and it's big. And the winners get $5,000 in Claude credits, office hours with our applied AI team, and an invitation to our SF office. So here's some pictures from our last winners. They also got some tungsten cubes that were Anthropic themed. And then here's a picture of me and some other ambassadors at the office to get you guys interested. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, check us out at our booth. I'll be there all day, and let's hack.
Thank you, Anthropic and Claude. Next up, we have Midjourney.
Guys, change the slides. All right. Hi, everybody. My name's Sebastian. I'm an engineer at Midjourney. Who here knows what Midjourney is? Okay, a few of you. You guys are awesome. Midjourney, for those of you who don't know, is a research lab. And the main thing that people know us for is the AI videos and images, so text to image, text to video diffusion models. We also have announced a hardware project this week, and it is a ultrasound body scanner. For this hackathon, you can't use it, but we do have an MCP. You can check the Slack for more details. Yeah. One more thing. Our founder is having an AMA Q&A session on the 3rd floor of the Martin Luther King Jr. building at 3 p.m. And we will have free boba sometime before that. So watch the Slack. Yeah.
Thank you, Midjourney. Up next, we have the Token Company.
Hello, hello, hello. My name is Otsop. I'm the founder of the Token Company. We do machine learning models for LLM input compression and optimization. And we've raised 11.7 million from YC, Winter 26, from HF0, from First Round Capital, from the founders of Slack, Dropbox, Hugging Face, and a ton of other companies. And we have a team from Harvard, Jane Street, MIT, NASA, none from Berkeley yet. And our challenge is to build your own compression model. So most of these challenges that other people have are to use their technology in your product that you build. But our whole challenge is for you to build a compression solution, which means you have a context and you're trying to find the optimal representation of that context, which would be most efficient for an LLM to read. And this can be done in any way you basically want, in a machine learning model, algorithm, just regex, like basically any way you think it would be best to optimize a context window. And yeah, we're hiring researchers. The winner of the challenge gets a boosted interview for a full-time member of technical staff position. Salary ranges to like 100 to 300K a year plus equity, and fully based in a SAF, in a hacker house. Yeah. Any questions? Come talk to us at our booth. Thank you.
Thank you to the token company. Next up, Redis.
Which green button is it? There we go. Hello, everyone. We are with Redis, and I'll talk to you about how you can use Redis for AI services, specifically fast search and memory in your AI apps. So quickly, who we are. My name is Justin. I'm a senior applied AI engineer with Redis. We also have Marie and Simran with us today and the rest of today and tomorrow for the hackathon, so come find us at the booth next to the stage. We're happy to talk to you about anything Redis related. What is Redis? In a sentence, we're an in-memory database. That sounds very simple. What can you do with Redis? We're a full-featured search engine. So anything with text search or vector similarity search, geospatial search, these are things that we power all across the industry, so you can use us for that. We also have a lot of tools around LLMs and agent memory. So if you're building any type of chatbot or agentic system, you probably want to talk to us about how you can use us. We're also very involved in the world of context engineering. So anything about how you structure prompts, how you get relevant information into your LLM context window, come talk to us about that as well. A couple quick ideas of what you can do with Redis. There's a lot. This is not a full list. Anything with online search engines. So think of things like e-commerce search with Amazon or Target or YouTube, video search, any type of personalized recommendation systems. So anything like TikTok or Spotify or Tinder or Netflix, all those personalized recommendations, we power systems like that as well. We do full geo search. So if you want to build a Google Maps coffee near me clone, we power that as well. If you care about real-time, large-scale machine learning, like facial recognitions across millions or even billions of people, we can do that in essentially real time, less than a second per query. Any type of real-time classification, we power that as well. In the world of agents and LLMs, which I imagine a lot of people will be talking about today and tomorrow, we do conversation memory histories for OpenAI and systems like that. All types of agentic memory systems. We do semantic caching. We do semantic routing. So if you care about things like prompt rejection, we power systems like that with guardrails and many more. We're happy to see what you guys build with us. Come hack with us. We offer free cloud accounts for all this weekend, so please talk to us about how you can get set up with those. You can go to redis.io/tryfree right now to start setting those up. You can also run Redis locally with Docker images or even build from source if you're really adventurous. We power all those systems as well, and we're happy to help you set those things up if you want to use it. Where to find us? We're right beside the stage in the corner here. So again, come talk to us. We'll be here all weekend to try and help you hack. We're also hosting a workshop today at 4 p.m. On the 5th floor to talk about how you can build some AI systems with Redis, and we'll walk you through it from start to finish. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, Redis. Up next, we have the Interaction Company.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm from the Interaction Company, and I'm so excited to be here. We are the team behind a product called Poke, which is a personal and proactive AI assistant that lives in your messages. I'll show you what I mean. So most AI products we see right now are pull models. So you have to be the one to open the chat, hope that it remembers what you were talking about in your last session, go to it, ask it something, and then start getting to work. But that's not how life works, and that's not how we can easily integrate it into our workflow. Your life runs on text, you're always attached to your phone, so that's what we wanted to do. What if AI lived there? What if setting an agent, managing your work, managing your life was as easy as just shooting off a quick text message? What if it was the personal assistant we all deserve? Poke connects to your Gmail, your calendar, your GitHub, and your Linear, whatever you actually use. And instead of going to check those things manually, it goes to it and it checks it for you, proactively. It helps you draft your messages, it helps send reminders, it helps you manage your life. We're also now available on Apple Messages as the first and only AI platform, directly integrated. These are some of our features that you guys can incorporate in your builds today. We've seen people do incredible things with Poke. We've seen people manage to connect it with their Tesla to drive it. We've seen people manage to connect it with their sprinklers, so watering your plants is as easy as just sending it a text. Because it's native, we have tappable pickers, quick reply buttons, all rendered right inside of the thread, so you're not switching context. We also are extremely human-focused. We want it to feel like you're sending a message to your friend and it's managing your life proactively. A lot of people have even mistaken us for a human when it's texting you back and forth, and it adapts and it learns to your behavior. This is Poke. Please scan this, text it something, and come visit us at our table if you can.
Thank you, the Interaction Company. Up next, we have Armor IQ.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm Ram and this is Vaibhav. We're founders of Armor IQ. You're here building, hopefully good AI agentic apps that are actually going to do things. What I mean by that is it's going to call APIs, it's going to call other agents, sub-agents. It's going to probably interact with some tool calls, etc. And they're going to take actions, basically. The hard part is not just building a cool agentic app in the next 24 to 48 hours, but is actually making sure that the agents that you build are actually doing the right thing with the right credentials. At Armor IQ, we are an intent-based security platform for AI agents using a developer-friendly, developer-first platform. So we ship a SDK that allows, as you build these agents, to register the agents, the MCP surfaces, and the other tool calls with our platform. And once you register, our system automatically handles issuing identity, ensuring that the right controls are in place, and define policies, and execution happens without any controls being violated. I'm going to hand over the mic to Vaibhav, who's going to talk about how our platform works quickly.
Thank you, Ram. So I'll not take more than 10 seconds. Essentially, our goal is to ensure that your agents do what they want, what you want them to do. As you're building agents here, we have our SDK as a pip package, as an NPM package. You can download them, you can install them using that. And yeah, for more, see us at our booth and we can talk more. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Armor IQ. Next up, Browser Base.
What's up, hackers? Thank you all for having us today. My name is Paul. I am the founder of BrowserBase, and I've been in your shoes before, listening to the boring sponsor pitches at the beginning of the hackathon, but I promise we'll keep it short. We're building BrowserBase. BrowserBase is a platform that enables your AI agents to actually interact with the internet. They can go to websites, click buttons, fill in forms, and actually do tasks that are useful using browser-based. It works with any type of agent, and our homepage has a prompt you can copy into Claude Code if you're building an agent that you actually want to be useful. I'm gonna have Shrey talk about some of the details we have today. We're giving away some really cool prizes.
What's up, guys? I'm Shrey. I'm here all weekend to answer any questions you guys might have. We're on the right side of the main Hacker Den. We have a $2,000 cash prize for best use of BrowserBase. Anything on our website, browserbase.com, if you use any of our APIs, our Fetch API, Search API, anything, you're eligible for our prize. We have a workshop at 5 p.m. today. We will have Shake Shack, a lot of it, so come by. And then we're also giving out a lot of merch. So we have hats, shirts, everything. Come by. We're also raffling a pair of Meta Ray-Bans. I will be sending all this information. We also have credits in our sponsor channel. So join our sponsor channel and we'll send it afterwards. Can't wait to see what you guys build. Come to me with any questions. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, BrowserBase. Next up, we have Sentry.
No, where are you going? Hi, everyone. We are Sentry. We're super excited to be here and sponsoring this hackathon this weekend. So just quickly, a show of hands, how many of you in this room have worked on something, shipped code, and saw it break in production? Yeah? Well, that's why we exist. Sentry is a developer monitoring platform built by developers for developers like you all. We help you find errors, trace bugs, and be able to fix your issues fast. We are a startup based in San Francisco, so not too far from here. Yes, we are open source. Today, we have Ryan with me and a few other engineers. I am Stephanie. We have a few things set up for you all this weekend. First, we have our Hacker Starter Packs. It is linked in our Slack channel. We also have instructions at our table as well, so stop by and we can help get you all set up with Sentry. Which leads me to our next one. We are hosting a tech prize for the best use of Sentry's API. Winners will be going home with switches today, or not today, Sunday, and a guaranteed interview for one of our roles, or an internship or a new grad position for our teams. Second, we will be hosting a workshop today from 5 to 6. Our engineers will help you fix bugs. I'm sure whatever you're working on will break. So come by and check us out. Yeah, and that's it. Have fun, good luck, build something cool, and come say hi. Thank you.
Thank you, Sentry. Next up, we have Simular. Also, for anyone leaving, the 11 a.m. workshops will be happening after opening ceremony.
Hey, don't leave. Why are you guys leaving? So, hey everyone, I'm JC, co-founder of Simular. We are the autonomous computer company, meaning our agent controls the entire computer. So if you want to win this hackathon, use our agent S. Why? Because last year's winners built on top of it, and they won this whole thing. Our agent S was the first computer use framework that outperformed humans on OS World, which is the leading OS computer use benchmark in the research community. It's open source. It was the first to surpass human level there last year. So here's the QR code on the bottom left. Scan it if you want to build on top of it now. If you want more control, we have Simulang, our open source language for controlling the entire computer. Browser, OS, terminal, it uses everything. So here you can see it using the terminal to write code to create a profile, create slides, go to LinkedIn, automate your entire browser, and create a page. Whatever existing tools or existing agents can't do, you can do with Simulang. Now the other thing, so who here actually wants to get some sleep tonight and not just like power through 24 hours? Yeah? So you have to write your code, you have to test your code, you have to make your demo, you have to make a video presentation for judging. That's going to take overnight. But the good thing is you can use Sai. Sai is our consumer-based product. Zero setup. You get a virtual machine. The agent lives there. It writes your code. It tests your code. It can operate the UI to run whatever app you're building. It can create a demo video for you. So you don't have to. You can actually get sleep and then win this competition. So like shown here, it's best-in-class computer use. It's integrates with cloud code. You get free credits for the duration of this hackathon, and you can get sleep. Come to our booth. We have a workshop at 12 p.m. today. You can get free credits. Whoever uses Sai or Simulang or Agent S, tag us. You get $500 for each person in your entire team. All right, sounds good? Yeah.
Thank you, Simular. Next, we have paleblue.ai.
Hello, hello. How are you guys doing? I'm Christine. If you're here on a Saturday morning, I have to say you're already very successful. So I'm with paleblue.ai. We are a Series B startup based in Palo Alto. As an NVIDIA partner, we provide bare metal service, but I'm here to tell you guys about Token Router, which is a product that we built recently. Can I have the slides? Oh. Which one do I click? Got it. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry. You know what? I'm just gonna stay on similar and talk. So find us at the main room. We're the table next to the fan. You'll learn more about us. We're a unified API gateway for all the frontier LLMs out there. So instead of juggling multiple providers, Token Router brings everything into one place. I'll leave you guys with two things. One is that we do have a $50 hacker credit today available for all students. And second of all is that we currently have the Minimax M3 model free on our platform, so you're free to route for your coding tasks today. The point of this product is that you can get smart routing, which is matching your tasks to the model, and then you can manage all your usage in one platform. If you have any questions, come find me at the table, but happy hacking today.
Thank you, paleblue.ai. Next up, we have Arise.
Hello, everybody. I know you've heard from a lot of sponsors today, so I'm not going to waste your time. We are logging and observability and evaluations for AI applications. And we are going to be the easiest prize to win at this hackathon. That is my pitch. All you have to do is turn on Arise tracing. It doesn't matter what framework you're using. It doesn't matter what model you're using. Arise works with everything on the market. Look at your traces and create an evaluator. An evaluator is just another LLM prompt that looks at the inputs and the outputs of your application and tells you whether or not your application is doing any good. You take that output, you feed it back into your coding agent makes your app better, and you've got a loop. That's all we want to see you do, and our prize is $1,000 in cash. No gimmicks, no games, no consoles that you're not going to use. It's actual cash. And that's really the whole pitch. Go to arise.com. For real, this is so easy, such an easy prize to win. And if you need any help in getting started, we are doing a workshop at 3 p.m. today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Arise. Up next, we have Pika.
Hi, everyone. This is Jessie. I'm Director of Creators and Community at Pika. We're here to represent Pika this time. And for anyone who's new to Pika, we started as an AI video generation company and helping people to turn their prompts, images, and ideas into the video. But for this hackathon, we mainly here to introduce you to Pika MCP, which is a creative stack built for agents. So here you can have all the best creative models built in, which includes CDance, GPT image, etc., and all the ready-to-run skills for turning your ideas into launch videos, ads, brands, and more. So for example, you are a founder or a future founder, you can use Pika MCP, directly connect to Cloud Code, and we can generate app sizzle video for you, launch videos, etc. for you. And Pika MCP lets you use the power of Pika with any agents. For example, these are some skills that we currently have. We will show a full skill set in our workshop this afternoon. And it gives your agent access to the best models, as mentioned, and it's also super easy to install and set up on your agent. You just need to copy paste one prompt, basically, to your agent. All right, so if you're building something this weekend, we hope Pika MCP can help you make your agent more creative and can help bring your project to life easier. And for everyone that's participating in the Pika track, we will also have the cash prizes, credits, and tokens for you. And if you're joining our workshop this afternoon at 4 p.m., you will receive 5,000 extra credits for joining the Pika workshop. And our booth is on the right side of the main venue, so welcome to come by and connect with us. And we have some small merch, and we're also hiring. So if you're looking for like a position, you can also come by. And we'll also introduce you how to use Pika more effectively. Thank you guys so much, and happy hiking today. Happy hacking. Thank you.
Thank you, Pika. Up next, we have QNX.
Does anybody know who QNX is? Hands? Anybody? No. Okay. Have you ever heard of BlackBerry? Hands? A couple people. Okay, a few more. Okay, so we're a division of BlackBerry, and no, we don't make phones, but we make mission-critical software for all of these types of applications. So probably if you drove here, you took a train here, you probably used some of our software. So if we do embedded software, what are we doing here at an AI hackathon? Well, we have tons of different companies that are actually users of our software. So we're kind of like a secret ingredient brand. And all of those companies are trying to build physical AI systems, robots, medical equipment that uses AI in it, of course, cars that use AI, all of that kind of stuff. So they know that they're going to be using us when they're trying to get their software safety certified, all the rest of that stuff, but they're also going to be trying to use AI in it. So the other benefit for you guys to understand about that is that those companies are also always looking for QNX expertise. So what does that mean when it comes down to the hack, which is what we're all here for? So I'll be honest. So we're a Canadian company, and that means that we're very, very honest. So that means if you've never actually picked up a Raspberry Pi before, you've never done embedded, you don't know C or C++, you don't know what a GPIO is, you've never used SSH, don't do our hack. Because it'll be frustration for you, it'll be 24 hours or 36 hours of just kind of like banging your head on the wall. If you've done that kind of stuff and you love robots and you're in a mechatronics club or you're in a robotics club or any of that kind of stuff, we would love to have you do our hack. So we've got tons of Raspberry Pis. We want you to create some embedded application that uses AI. We have tons of different AI open source libraries that we've been ported. We've got a $1,000 prize for winner and two $250 prizes for runners up. So that's it. It's simple. Build something, runs QNX, uses AI, runs on Raspberry Pi. That's it. And I think I have a little bit of time left. Can I get a selfie?
Clicker.
Oh, there you go. Oh. All right, thank you.
Thank you, QNX. Up next, we have Cognition.
CalHacks, how we doing? Woo! CalHacks! How you doing? So, we are from Cognition. My name is Pat. My name is Albert. And we are so excited to be sponsoring CalHacks this weekend. Today, we are going to be having a workshop at 5 p.m. If you come to this workshop, we will be doling out over $600 of ACU credits to help you develop your projects. Cognition is a company that helped develop the first AI autonomous software engineer called Devin. We are the makers of Windsurf, now Devin Desktop. We are going to give both of these technologies out to your teams to help develop your projects.
Yep. Anyways, so as Pat mentioned, we build Devin Cloud Agent, Devin Desktop CLI, and Devin Desktop. We love developers. You're our target audience, so we love you guys, and we want to hopefully you guys can use our tool. I'll go over to the prize track. As Pat mentioned, we got a 5 p.m. Workshop. We're going to be going over Devin Desktop, merch included, along with credits. And for our prize track, next slide. Okay, maybe they don't have the next slide. We got a boat, so if you win, Besties of Devin, you guys get a chartered boat with 30 of your friends, and also $500 of tokens for the road. So the way we're judging this is if you use Devin to build, we're going to check out your project, and we can check your usage. So if you use Devin in a significant manner to build your project and we love it, get on a boat. Anyways, good luck hacking, guys. It's been great. Come to our booth, and we'll see you at 5 p.m.
Thank you, Cognition. Up next, we have DeepGram.
Good morning, Berkeley. Are we ready to hack? Excellent, excellent. Let them get my slides up here. There we are. My name is Naomi Kerrigan. I am the community engineer at DeepGram. I am very excited to be here with all of you today. 3 things I want you to know today. 1, we have a workshop. It is at 2 p.m. It is on the 2nd floor of the MLK building. Very beautiful building, by the way. In Didowski's classroom. During that workshop, I will spend 40 minutes teaching you how to build your very own voice agent flow. This takes you through text-to-speech, LLM, speech-to-text, all in one single WebSocket connection. Make it really easy to get up and running. 2nd, visit our booth. I'm giving away swag. I have API credits. I have docs. I have an MCP server. I have a Discord. I have all sorts of cool stuff for you that would not fit on any of my slides. So if you need those, come hit me up. And then 3rd, we do have a prize we are giving away for the team that builds the coolest thing with DeepGram. I have a Nintendo Switch, 2 for each of you. 1 Nintendo Switch, 2, number 2. With that, that is it from me. I hope to see all of you at the booth. I hope to see all of you at the workshop. Sign up for DeepGram at console.deepgram.com right now. You get $200 in free credits. Should be more than enough to get you through the hackathon. And in case it is not, come see me at the booth. I'll see if I can hook you up. Take care, Berkeley. Happy hacking.
Thank you, DeepGram. Up next, we have Ultimate Bots.
Hi, everyone.
I'm Xenia from Ultimate Bots. We're a humanoid sports league, and today we're here sponsoring the physical AI track. There are two things. First, our main track with $3,000 in prizes. You can develop anything within the physical AI, data, world model, simulation, deployment. The main judging criteria is, will the real robotics team use it? The track is powered by Nebius, who gives $150 in credits for Token Factory, where you can train models, label data, and do many more things. We'll have a workshop where we'll teach you how to use the tool stack, so stop by, it'll be a lot of fun. And of course, we have real humanoid robots, so the best projects will be deployed on our robotics fleet. And second thing, if you want to attend the real UFB Fight Night, which will be next Friday in San Francisco, I encourage you to train humanoid robot dances. It's really simple. You just take a video of yourself moving in a space, we'll run it in simulation, and if it works, we'll deploy it on a real robot. We have a station in the Lower Sproul Plaza with a humanoid and dancing station. So come stop by, it's really easy. You don't need to be a roboticist or know anything about physical AI to teach robots how to dance. So just have fun. So yeah, scan the QR code to learn more. All the information is there. And I'm looking forward to seeing you at the booth. Good luck.
Thank you, Ultimate Bots. As our second to last sponsor, we have Orcs.
Yeah. Hi, folks. Nice to meet you here. I'm Deepthi. I'm a product manager at Orcs.
And I'm Nicholas Cole. I'm a software engineer at Orcus.
So we have a workshop at noon. Please attend it. We'll show you how to use the product. So Orcs itself, we are a platform where you can build, observe, and run both agentic workflows and agents. Today specifically, though we're here to talk about Agent Span, we recently open sourced it, so it's free. You can use it. What Agent Span does is two things. It's a framework for you to build, observe, and run agents. But since most of us are already building agents, whether in HR, IT, or students, what we notice is that most of these agents, very easy to build them in demo. Once you move them to production environments, they fail. That's where Agent Span comes in. It ensures that your agents never break in production. You don't even have to build your agents with Agent Span. If you already use a popular agent framework out there that you love, like LangGraph or Google ADK or OpenAI SDK, bring your agents into Agent Span, and we'll make sure that they survive in production. It's open source, and that's the link to get to our GitHub and to our page today. We have some very exciting gifts to give away, so please participate, please users, to make your agents durable.
Thank you.
Thank you. Last but not least, we have Band.
Woo. Hi, everyone. So my name's Ofer. I'm head of developer relations at Band. What we do is we do agent-to-agent communication. So if you build an agent, multiple agents in this hackathon, we are your go-to technology to have these agents talk to each other. Where's my clicker here? Can you guys move to the next slide, please? All right, so today, humans talk to each other, but we're all gonna have lots of agents working for us, doing stuff for us. And so we think the future will be this agentic mesh, or actually agents talk to each other. Think, tens of agents, hundreds of agents, thousands of agents talking to each other. If you click next, please. And so that's what we built, the agentic mesh platform. It is very compatible with many, many different frameworks to build agents. Some of them are sponsors here today, like the last one was Orcs, but there's others, LangChain, OpenClaw, Claude, whatever you want to do. We just enable these agents you build to talk to each other, independent of their platform. And it feels like a chat room. It's like a WhatsApp or Discord. You get the agents or the humans or both into a chat room, and they just mention each other and talk to each other. So that's how it works. We have a special prize of $1,000 for the best project that meaningfully uses Band today. in this hackathon. So really looking forward to see what you build with it. There is a workshop. One more. There's a workshop today at 1 o'clock. If you're interested, come. I'll give this workshop to teach you quickly how to use it. It's in floor 2, and you have some resources here. And that's it. So I know I'm the last one, so I'll say, let's go Berkeley. Everybody enjoy your hackathon.
Thank you.
All right, we'll have a final send-off for everyone who stayed till the end, as well as everyone watching on live stream. All right, in terms of any logistical questions, please check out the FAQ first on our live site. We also have a hacker guide for all the info that you would ever need. If your question is not answered through that, please post in the channel on Slack, Ask Directors. And if none of those work, we'll have an info desk running throughout the night and tomorrow on the second floor where you checked in. And of course, in the case of an emergency, please call 911 and then notify a director as soon as possible. Again, the live site is live.hackberkeley.org. Right after this, we'll have a team formation in the lower Sprout tent. Again, make sure to wear your wristbands and your badge to MLK at all times, today and tomorrow. We will not be giving out replacements. Always abide by our code of conduct, and swag will be distributed this afternoon on the lower Sprout tent. Now, looking for something to get started, up next, again, we have the team formation mixer, the Cubstart deployment workshop, as well as a UFB workshop. Right, it has been 362 days since we last saw each other, and now 0. So the most important countdown starts now. Get ready to build, learn, hack, and it's time for AI 2026. Let the hacking begin.
Thank you, everyone. Happy hacking and good luck.
What? Oh my God, I know, bro.